Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So lately you might have come across those flashy ads talking about a so-called pink salt and ice recipe that melts fat instantly, no gym, no diet, just a miracle trick at home. One of the ads I saw claimed a person dropped from 179 pounds to 126 in just 2 weeks. That's 53 pounds gone like magic. It even said over 21 pounds were lost in just a few days. Sounds insane, right? They make it look easy, saying it takes less than a minute to prepare and comes with zero side effects. No hard work, just drink something with pink salt. And to add more drama, they mention places like Harvard and Johns Hopkins as if they back it up. Oh, and apparently Japanese celebrities use it but are paid to keep it secret. They even say it's 12 times more effective than weight loss injections like Mounjaro. Now, I've seen multiple versions of this same ad, with different narrators and visuals, but all of them eventually ask you to click a button to learn more. Out of curiosity, I clicked it, and it took me to a website called naturalhealthrecipe.com. Right there in big letters it screamed, "Breaking news. Never mix this pink salt with these 3 homemade ingredients if you don't want to burn 24 pounds in 15 days. Sounds intense. Then it asks you to watch a video. But here's the catch, that video is nearly an hour long. At first, it looks like the progress bar is moving quickly, but by the end it feels like it's frozen. And the video just keeps teasing you, saying we'll reveal the secret soon while throwing in wild stories about scientists, hidden secrets, and pharma companies trying to keep you in the dark. But guess what? They never tell you the actual recipe. Instead, by the end of the video, they try to sell you a supplement. In my case, it was something called Mounja Root. In another version of the ad, it was burnjaro. Yours might be different, but the pattern is the same. They bait you with a recipe and switch it with a supplement sale. Now let's talk about the supplement itself. Mounja Root makes some bold claims too, like saying it's FDA approved. But here's the truth, the FDA does not approve supplements. What they really mean is it's made in an FDA-registered facility, which just means the factory meets hygiene standards, not that the product is safe or works. Then they hit you with today-only discounts, like saving $300, which is a common sales trick. And most importantly, there's no real scientific proof behind it. They don't show clinical trials or real evidence. It's just a long list of benefits like weight loss, better digestion, more energy, all in one pill. That's a red flag. So is Mounja Root a scam? It might not be a 100% scam in the traditional sense, but it's definitely making a lot of unrealistic and misleading claims. And the way they promote it through fake recipes and emotional manipulation is shady. My advice, be careful. Don't fall for miracle ads that promise fast results without effort. Always do your own research before spending your money. Stay safe and stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.